Would you like to surprise your friends? Learn how to make up German sentences and conjugate German verbs. Speak German like a pro. First of all, let's find out what is the difference between the infinitive form of the verb in English and in German. By the way, don't forget to make notes. The infinitive form of the verb in English has to. For example, to make, to watch, to speak. All German verbs end in N. Machen, sehen, sprechen. And this is the infinitive form. Let's take a closer look. Machen, make. N is the ending. And this is the base of the verb. Sehen, sprechen, lernen. N is ending, and this is the base of the verb. Seh, sprech, lern. Now let's talk about the conjugation of the verbs. In English, all forms have the same ending, except he, she, it. I make, you make, we make, they make, he, she, it makes. In German, it is not so boring. To conjugate the verb in German, the verb ending must be added to the base of the verb, and every person has different verb endings. This information should be written down and learned by heart. The endings are ich, du, ste, sie, es, t, wir, n, ihr, t, sie, n. Look at these examples. We have persons, we have the endings, and for example, the verb machen, make. Base plus verb ending. I make, ich mache. Du machst. Sie, es macht. Wir machen. Ihr macht. Sie machen. Say, sagen. N is the ending. Sag is the base. Base plus different verb endings. Ich sage, I say. Du sagst, sie, es sagt. Wir sagen, ihr sagt. Sie sagen. Learn, lernen. N is the ending. Lern, the base. Ich lerne, du lernst, sie, es lernt, wir lernen, ihr lernt, sie lernen. Now, look at this verb. Arbeiten. To work. These are the endings. Ich arbeite, du arbeitest, sie, es arbeitet, wir arbeiten, ihr arbeitet, sie arbeiten. Why so? Why du arbeitest, sie, es arbeitet? If the base ends in d, t, ch, n, f, f, n, then you need e. Arbeitest. If s, double s, sz, z, tc, just t. Sie, es, if the base ends in dt, then you need not only t, but et. Arbeitet. And in person ihr, you like a group of people, also dt, et. Ihr arbeitet. Now I'm sure you'd like to practice. Please conjugate these verbs. kochen, cook, hören, listen, schreiben, write. Now let's check it. Ich koche, du kochst, er, sie, es kocht, wir kochen, ihr kocht, sie kochen. Hören. Ich höre, du hörst, er, sie, es hört, wir hören, ihr hört, sie hören. Schreiben. Ich schreibe, du schreibst, er, sie, es schreibt, wir schreiben, ihr schreibt, sie schreiben. I hope this video was useful and interesting for you. Subscribe so you don't miss new informative videos. And learn German with pleasure. See you next time. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Alles Gute.